Intro. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the complete process of applying for a Norway Tourist Visa in 2025. Whether you're planning to explore the stunning fjords, chase the northern lights, or simply enjoy the culture, this video will help you understand each step clearly. Who can apply for Norway Tourist Visa? Tourist visa is needed if you're from a non-Schengen country like India, Pakistan, the Philippines, Nigeria, or similar. You must have a valid passport, a strong reason to return to your home country, and financial stability. The purpose of your visit must be tourism, visiting family or friends, or attending cultural events. Business or work purposes need a different visa. Required documents to apply, you'll need the following: a passport valid for at least 6 months, a completed visa application form, 2 passport-size biometric photos, travel medical insurance covering €30,000 minimum, proof of accommodation such as hotel bookings or an invitation letter, round-trip flight itinerary, a dummy booking works, recent bank statements showing financial stability, a cover letter explaining your travel plans, an employment letter or income proof to show around €50, €60 per day of stay. It's safer to have at least €2,000, €3,000 in your account. How to apply? The application process is simple. 1. First, go to the official website of VFS Global or udi.no and register. 2. Fill out the visa application form online. 3. Pay the visa fee online, about €80.40. Book an appointment at the nearest VFS Visa Application Center. 5. Attend the appointment with all your documents and give biometrics. 6. Wait for processing, which usually takes 15 working days. You can track your application online. Visa fee. Standard tourist visa fee is €80. Additional charges like the VFS service fee or courier delivery might apply. Optional services include SMS updates, photocopying, or passport delivery. Tips to get approved: bonus in your documents and cover letter, avoid fake bookings or forged papers. Show strong ties to your home country, job, family, property. Travel insurance must be valid for all Schengen countries. Make sure your funds are steady. Don't just deposit a big amount suddenly. Reasons for rejection. Many applications get rejected because of incomplete or fake documents. What financial history? No clear intention to return, doubtful travel plans, travel insurance not meeting requirements. If you're rejected, you can reapply or appeal the decision with stronger documents. Facts. Do I need confirmed flight tickets? Gives no. Dummy bookings are accepted. Can I visit other countries with a Norway visa? Gives yes, as long as Norway is your main destination or first point of entry. Can I apply without a job? Gives yes, but you must show income support or sponsorship. Outro. That's it. Now you know how to apply for a Norway Tourist Visa in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know your travel plans or questions in the comments. I personally reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and see you in Norway soon.